So in the installation, we use the same Blind Fasteners, and what's good about this Rhino coat is it really grabs. It grabs down real nice rather than that bare metal floor. It really works out really well. So what we'll do is I thread this piece in. This is the push tool. You got a washer here and a push bolt, which is a 5/16 18-inch thread, and goes right down through the molle. Make sure you thread it all the way in first, then you place it in the hole. Now I usually pilot with a 5/16 drill and then a 1/2 inch drill, and then you just pop it right down until it's flush, like that. And then what I'm going to use is a hold down wrench, which is a 9/16, right on the hex at the bottom, and then we're going to just make sure that we tighten it up really good. And that's it. Now we have a perfect anchor. We didn't have to get anything in our face or dirt from underneath and have to get on our hands and knees and get underneath and have to hold a wrench down while the other person on top is doing the ratcheting. So this is a much better way to do it, and it's just, everything just goes in so quick. I love this Blind Fastener. Order them on today at the Truck Mount Store 24/7. You'll see it right in the Truck Mount Store. 727-505-2989. Ask for Pete. We're open on Saturdays as well. If you have any installation questions, just call us and we'll methodically go through the process with you and teach you how to do it. And any type of box truck or any kind of van or trailer of any sort will help you along the way in understanding a nice, thorough, professional installation of your truck mounted system. Thank you.